Reshna and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have a fashion haul. You guys have no idea how excited I am to be making this fashion haul because obviously it's been so many months since I've made a fashion haul. Honestly, it's been so many months since I've even bought anything. Okay, well, that's not completely true. The last time that I bought something was on my birthday. Since January, I haven't bought anything except for my birthday dress. Since I am doing shoots at home and I just wanted some new pieces. Also, just because I can't buy anything doesn't mean I wasn't visiting the website. I was like shortlisting some things. So as soon as they started delivering, I was like, okay, I want to do a little bit of shopping, and without any further ado, let's get started. Before I get started with this haul, I just wanted to talk about a little bit of the shopping experience from Shein, because now it's not like before, so the delivery and everything is slightly different. So I just wanted to talk about it because I'm sure some of you guys might have some doubts and would like it cleared up whether it is okay to shop from Shein right now or not. First things first, Shein isn't delivering everywhere in India, so you can go and check it out on their website. They have a list of places where they are delivering. So before, Chennai was not there in the list of places that they were delivering, but now it is. So that's why I could place an order. The second thing I want to talk about is the delivery and how long it took for it to get here. So usually, like before all of this, it used to either come within a week or at max it would take 2 weeks, but not more than that. But this time it actually came after 3 weeks. So I placed the order on 27th May and it arrived this week when I'm making this video. So yeah, it took 3 weeks for the order to come, and I was actually getting kind of nervous and I was like constantly checking up, but it finally got delivered. So I think 3 weeks is not bad at all. I know it might not be the same in every other place. I've heard like some people say that it took almost a month for the order to arrive for them. So it totally depends on where you live, and I guess it also depends on what the situation is right now. The next thing I want to talk about is the safety and whether it is safe or not to order from Shein. This is something that I followed, and this is something I would recommend you guys follow as well. It's not just for Shein orders, for any order you receive. Now, if you're ordering clothes, obviously washing them before you try them out is not really the best option because A, you don't know whether it will fit you or not. So if you end up not keeping it, you might not be able to return it. So what I like to do is when the package arrives, I open the package and I take all the clothes out of the package, and then I just keep it outside for 3 days. During the daytime when the sun was out, I was just keeping it on my terrace so that it gets nicely baked under the sun. Now they also say that it's almost impossible for the virus to stay on a delivery package because the package took 3 weeks to arrive. It is probably already gone, but this is just an extra safety step that I decided to take. Unfortunately, this was my first order, so I don't have any return experience in this lockdown, but I have made a return and exchange related video for Shein and other websites like that. So I will link it down in the description box. You guys can go and check it out. A lot of you guys have watched it and a lot of you guys have found it very, very helpful. But anyway, this is all the knowledge that I have so far. Let me just show you guys what I got. So here are all the things that I got from Shein. Generally, I order like a lot of stuff from Shein, but this time it's not a very big haul, but it's still a couple of cute clothes I wanted to show you guys. First thing that I got from Shein is this crop top right here. I love the color. It's almost like a neon peachy color, and I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe. Like, this is the kind of color I really like, but I generally don't buy a lot of. I don't know why, but I just had to pick it up. This square neckline is really popular nowadays, and I do have a lot of tops with this square neckline, and it's like one of those tops that just really highlights your collarbone. The one thing I would say is that I didn't expect this crop top to be so cropped. It is like really tiny. You definitely have to wear it with something that is very, very, very high-waisted, like not just regular high-waisted, like cover your belly button type of high-waisted. It's like very, very stretchy. Even the material is very thick. It is double lined, and I love the ribbed texture. That was another reason why I wanted to get this crop top. So the next top that I have is this one right here. I actually really love the color of this top, and it has that like vintage feel to it, and vintage, as you guys know, is really in right now. Like all retro and vintage styles are all coming back. So I love this top, and I really love the smock detail on the bottom as well. I barely have like one polka dot top, and this is like my second one. So yeah, I'm just trying to see whether I personally like it or not, but I'm not 100% sure about it. I don't know whether it looks good on me or not. So you guys let me know in the comments down below. So the next top that I have is my absolute favorite from this haul, and it's this one right here. Look how cute this top is. So it's like a cropped denim top. It has like a really pretty sweetheart neckline. It's really fitted over here and has these cute little puff sleeves. The only thing is that I ended up buying a size medium because the size small was out of stock. So it is slightly big on me, but it's not like a very big deal. It still looks fine from the front, but when I go on the side, you can see like the big gap on the chest area. If they have the size small back in stock, I think I'll probably get it exchanged if it's possible. Otherwise, I'll still keep it and get it resized by my tailor. So the next thing that I got is this skirt right here. So this skirt, I was actually seeing it on another website, and it was like very expensive. Like this skirt was almost 2,500, and I didn't feel like paying that much for a skirt like this. So I just, I was just like scrolling on Shein randomly, and I found the same exact skirt, or maybe not the same, but like 90% same, and it was like much lesser than what I was seeing it on that website. So I grabbed it. I absolutely love it. It has all these like 3D flowers, I would say. I don't know what you call it, so I'm just gonna call it 3D because you can like see the flowers like this from the outside. I really love that. I feel like these things add a lot of texture to your clothing. The only problem with the skirt is that even though I got my size, it is slightly looser around the waist. I like my skirt to sit exactly on my waist. Like if it's a high-waisted skirt, it has to sit on my waist, because if it sits on my hips, then it just makes me look a little broader. It is doubly lined, so you won't really have a problem with any see-through skirt or anything like that. It is pretty opaque. Another top that I got from Shein is this one right here, and I know when I'm holding it up like this, it just looks really weird, like what the hell is this, but on the website it looked very cute. And this top was literally almost sold out. I really like the print of the top. It's very bright and colorful, and it just has like a lot of different colors. I love the sleeves as well because it has like a slightly puffed sleeve, but it's not like too over the top puffed. It's like pretty subtle. It has all these like ruched detail on the front. It almost looks like it's been bunched up in the front. So this top is pretty cute. It is very transparent, which is something that is easily fixable. Like I can just wear like a black bra or like a black bandeau inside, and you won't even realize that it is transparent. So if I do end up keeping it, I will wear it like that. But quality wise, I'm not a huge fan at all, so I'm still kind of confused because it looks cute. And then the next thing that I got is this cute little skirt right here. This is probably one of my favorite things that I got from Shein. Like apart from that denim top, this is probably like my second favorite thing. On Shein, you will always find skirts like these, or in some other color, you'll always find them in stock. But I just wanted a yellow one because it's like that classy yellow checkered skirt that just reminds everyone of Cher from Clueless. It just fits so well on my body. It like fits everywhere really nicely, and it has like a cute little slit on the front over here, which just shows off just the right amount of your thighs, and it looks so cute. Now coming to the material, this one is a pretty thick material, so even though it is not lined with anything, it is like a single layer, but it is not transparent at all. I love this skirt. It is so cute. So guys, moving on to the last thing that I got from Shein is this skirt right here. It's a very cute polka dotted skirt. First of all, again, I love the color, and it is very similar to the polka dotted top, but the color is slightly different. That is more like a darker green, and this is more like a lighter green and more like pastel-y. Very high-waisted, and then it has all these ruffles in the bottom. This skirt again is like one of those skirts that does not have any like a double layer inside, but it is like pretty opaque. The material is nice and thick. You guys can totally take my word and get this skirt if you guys like it. This skirt is definitely going to be the highlight, and I will probably wear something plain on top so that I can just let this skirt shine.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I almost forgot to show this top, but this is another one that I got from Shein. The main reason I wanted to get this top is obviously for the straps. It has like all these like city names on the straps. It has like New York, LA and all that, and I thought that the straps are pretty cool. But unfortunately the material on the bottom body part of this top is not really the best. It's like a very cheap, like bunion type of material. Yeah, can you see how transparent that top is? Like, I don't really think I want to keep it just because the material looks very cheap. So guys, that brings me to the end of this haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments down below how you guys liked the fashion haul. Which one was your favorite piece? I mean, I can't believe that I made a fashion haul after so many months. As usual, I will link all of the products in the description box below, so go and check it out if you like. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't subscribed already, and hit that bell notification so that you guys are notified every single time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!